Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log employee hours. Now that time tracking is set up on Gusto, let's walk through how employees can actually log their hours in Gusto. Now it's simple, fast, and keeps everything organized for payrolls. So step one, employee logs into Gusto. Now employees should head to gusto.com and log into their accounts using their credentials. And once they're in, they're going to land on their dashboard. Step two is to navigate to time tracking. Now on the left hand menu, they'll see time tracking. Now clicking that is going to bring them to the weekly timesheet view. Step 3, enter hours worked. Employees can manually enter their start and end times for each workday. If you've enabled clock in, clock out features, they can simply hit clock in and clock out in real time. Step 4, add breaks or notes. Now, if your setup includes tracking lunch or breaks, employees can enter those details as well. There's also an optional note field if they want to jot down what project they worked on or leave a quick update. Step 5, save or submit. Now, once the hours are entered, they should click save if they're not done, or submit for approval when the timesheet is fully complete. Step 6, wait for manager review. Now, submitted timesheets will go to the manager or admin for approval. Once approved, these hours are ready to be pulled directly into payroll. No need for manual entry or email chains. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.